Understanding Coupon Savings, a guide to smarter shopping. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the concept of coupon savings. This is a common phrase you'll encounter while shopping, especially in English-speaking countries. Let's dive in and understand what it means and how you can benefit from it. Coupons are vouchers or tickets that offer a discount on the price of a product or service. They can be found in newspapers, magazines, and increasingly, online. A coupon usually has a barcode or a code number, which you can present at the time of purchase to get a certain percentage off or a specific dollar amount reduced from the price of the item. When you use a coupon, you're essentially paying less than the regular price. This difference in price is your saving. For example, if a product costs $10 and you have a coupon for a $2 discount, you only pay $8. Here, your coupon saving is $2. Over time, these savings can add up, especially if you use coupons regularly. Coupons are everywhere. You can find them in newspapers and magazines, store flyers, online coupon websites, email newsletters from brands, social media pages of brands. To use a coupon, simply present it at the checkout or enter the code online during the purchase process. Be sure to check the expiration date and any specific conditions that apply. 1. Combine coupons with sales. Use coupons on sale items to maximize savings. 2. Organize your coupons. Keep them sorted by date or category for easy access. 3. Be brand flexible. Sometimes, using a coupon might mean trying a different brand than you're used to. 4. Check coupon policies. Different stores have different policies on how coupons can be used. We hope this video has helped you understand the concept of coupon savings. Remember, using coupons is a smart way to shop and save money. Happy coupon hunting, and see you in our next video.